So guys, we just came back from the shop now.
And we got some snacks.
We're gonna be tasting my drink first and then the Cheetos Crunchies because we've already tasted it before. We've never tasted this before, so we're gonna be trying the drink called Chupa Chup Sparkling Blueberry Flavor Sour. It looks so good, so take a look at it. Oh! Guys, now that we've got the drink open, we're gonna taste it and rate it. So I'm gonna be trying it first. That is figgy. I rate it 8 out of 10. It's very good.
Okay, my turn to rate it.
Chill out.
Okay, I rate this 10 out of 10 because I'm not sour, but it tastes